In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assignees in ClickUp 4.0. Welcome to this quick, practical walkthrough. Assigning tasks is one of the most important things you'll do in ClickUp because it makes ownership crystal clear and helps your team move faster. Think of your workspace as the home base for everything: projects, tasks, and the people responsible for them. Start by logging into your ClickUp workspace. From the main area, head to your overview or your chosen team space. On the left sidebar, navigate to your spaces and select the one that contains the project you're working on. This keeps everything organized, so you always know where a task lives. Once you're in the right place, switch to the list view. List is perfect for assigning because it lays out your tasks in a clean table with columns like status, due date, and assignee. Here, you'll see all your tasks at a glance. Hover over the task you want to assign. Move your cursor to the assignee area for that task, then click. A panel will open with a list of teammates. You can scroll or type in the search bar to quickly find the right person. Click their name to assign them to the task. You'll see their avatar or initials appear in the assignee field, confirming the change. If the work calls for collaboration, you can add another assignee the same way. Just click the assignee area again and select an additional teammate. Multiple assignees will appear side by side, making it easy to see who's involved. If you change your mind or someone no longer needs to be responsible, you can remove an assignee just as easily. Click the assignee area, then deselect the person to unassign them. The update is instant, so your task list always reflects reality. A quick tip: if you don't see a teammate in the list, make sure they're part of your workspace and have access to that space or folder. Also, consider adding a brief comment or updating the task description when you change assignees so context and expectations are clear. That little bit of communication goes a long way. And that's how simple it is to add more, or remove assignees in ClickUp 4.0. With the right people on the right tasks, your workflow stays organized, accountable, and on schedule. If you found this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.